Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Anjali, USN 1VE23CS016, pursuing my degree in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the second semester. Here my subject is Introduction to Python Programming, which has subject code BPLCK 205B. In that, I am going to explain you all about understanding keyword arguments in the Python. First, we'll discuss about what are keyword arguments. Keyword arguments allow you to explicitly specify which value corresponds to each parameter defined in a function. Instead of recycling on the order of arguments, you use the parameters names followed by an equal sign and the corresponding value. Why we use keywords? For readability, flexibility, optional arguments. What is readability in Python programming? They make your code clearer by explicitly stating what value is being assigned to each parameter. Flexibility. You can pass arguments in any order when using keywords as long as the parameter names are unique. Optional arguments. When combined with default parameter values, you can call the function with the only the arguments you need. What are keyword arguments? In Python, keyword arguments are powerful way to pass arguments to functions. Keyword arguments allow you to explicitly associate values with corresponding to parameters in a function. Definition using parameters, names and equal sign. I have mentioned one program, that is def greet name comma age, then print hello name, your age, how much year old you are. Next one is syntax. Regular parameter definition. We can define function parameters like usual and use them as keyword arguments during the function call. Here I have mentioned one function, that is name and age only. Def greet name comma age, print hello, print f of hello name, your age, year old, greet name is equal to alias and age is equal to 30. Using star arguments and double star keywords. Star args captures an arbitrary number of positional arguments as a tuple. Double star keywords captures an arbitrary number of keyword arguments as dictionary. Here I have mentioned one program for this using star and double star args. Next one is passing keyword arguments, which has syntax function name in and in bracket parameter name is equal to value 1, parameter name 2 is equal to value 2, which explains function name means the name of the function you are calling. Parameter name 1 is comma parameter name 1 2 is equal to names of the function's parameters as defined in the function definition. Value 1 comma value 2 etc, the values of you want to assign to the corresponding parameters. Here I have mentioned an example for this syntax and explanation. Def calculate area. Area means we know length, width, and that shape is rectangle. We know area formula for rectangle. If shape is equal to rectangle, return length star width. In Python programming, star indicates multiplication symbol. So area, to calculate area is equal to calculate area 5, 3, shape circle. Next, default values. What are default values? Default values allow you to assign a predefined value to the function parameter during its definition. If you don't provide a value for that parameters during the function call, the default value is used. Benefits of using default values: for optional arguments and for improved readability. For optional arguments, how can we use default values? You can make some parameters optional by providing defaults, allowing you to call function with only the essential arguments. For improved readability, clear defaults enhance code clarity by indicating a fallback value if no arguments is provided. Next one is ordering of the arguments. Why we have to order the arguments? Because for error handling, for readability tip, and for exception. For error handling, this rule is enforced by Python to prevent syntax errors caused by unclear argument order. Readability tip means even when using keyword arguments, it's generally recommended to maintain the order of the parameters defined in the function for better readability. It reinforces the association between parameter names and their corresponding values. Here, for exception, if all parameters have default or optional, you can use keyword arguments alone. I have mentioned some examples also. Arbitrary keyword arguments. What are keywords? Arbitrary keywords. When you define a function parameter double star keywords, it essentially acts as a placeholder to collect any additional keyword arguments that are passed during the function call. These arguments are then stored as a dictionary where the keys are the parameters names and the values are the corresponding values passed during the call. Benefits of using double star keywords: for flexibility and for unforeseen needs. For flexibility, it makes your function more adaptable by allowing callers to provide any number of additional keyword arguments beyond explicitly defined parameters. For unforeseen needs, you can handle situations where you might not know in advance all the possible keyword arguments a user might provide. Next one is arbitrary keyword is over. Next, unpacking keyword arguments. Unpacking dictionaries means it involves extracting its key value pairs into the separate variables. The syntax involves using double star operator before the dictionary name during the function call. Unpacking for keyword arguments is when you unpack a dictionary with double star before its name during a function call. Python automatically extracts each key value pair and uses them as individual keyword arguments. Benefits of unpacking keyword arguments: consciousness. It simplifies passing multiple key value pairs from a dictionary as a keyword arguments, avoiding repetitive syntax. For readability, especially when dealing with large dictionaries, unpacking can enhance readability by keeping the function call more concise. And the next one is use cases. Common scenarios. enhancing code readability, improving flexibility, handling optional arguments, accepting an arbitrary number of arguments, customizing function behavior. At last, I conclude that keyword arguments are powerful tool in Python for writing clean, readable and flexible code. Some key points are: use keyword arguments when dealing with functions that have many parameters or where order might not be immediately clear. Maintain a balance between flexibility and clarity by avoiding excessive use of double star keywords. Follow best practices like descriptive naming, documentary defaults, and using type hinting to further enhance code quality. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.